4:45 a.m. and we have started our journey. This is Devendra and more friends. This is Ram.
We are super excited.
We are super excited
because this journey was planned at the very last moment. We were not getting cab. And finally we got a cab. The cab is here. We are on the way. We are on the way to pick our other friends. They are waiting for us at Swagit.
And we have started from Koregaon Park, Pune. And we are leaving for Divyagar. Konkan. So this is me, Sankalpa. This is Ashwini. Ashwini, say hi. This is Rupam. This is Sonia, Devendra, Ram, and Daniel sir. All we are going. This is our car, and this is Daniel sir's car. So 2 cars are there, 2 vehicles, and we are going very safely. Changed, and this is Sonia. And we both are together. This is Devendra, and now we are going to have some rest for almost like 1 to 2 hours, and then we'll start our enjoying. Okay, entertainment. She's teacher come, senior come, friend, classmate.
Take me to the right, I will pass the wind between my fingers. Take me to the sun on the highest mountain ever dreamed before.
We have reached Divyagar beach, and I'll show you the view. This is our car. This is Mr. Deva. And this is me and Sonia. Hi.
Hi.
Sonia, did you like this beach?
Yeah.
See, our friends are enjoying already. They have started. And now I am going to start.
दुनिया की बातें बातें छोड़ के गमों की बाहों को मरोड़ के खुशी खड़ी है जिस मोड़ पे कोई गलत या कहे सही हमें किसी की परवाह नहीं जाने जहां भी लगे जिंदगी we got to go that way we got to go that way.
And now we have literally started enjoying in water. We are having so nice time. That is so
अब जो भी हो जाने दो हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे दिल से कहो कहते रहो हम बेफिक्र चलते रहे हमें नहीं किसी से वास्ता अपना अलग ही है रास्ता सारे जमाने को है ये पता they know that we don't care they know that we don't care अपने तो छोटा सा है ये जहां मर्जी से अपनी हम
We are so tired and very, very, very hungry. Totally tanned. So now we have come to Rani Bandhu Khanavar, and here they are serving us with the surmai thali, chicken
Popplet
thali.
thali, and in Popplet thali they have 1 popplet they will give and unlimited curry of prawns and rice, and in surmai thali they are serving 1 piece of surmai and unlimited rice and curry of pomplet.
So I have ordered egg thali as I am not able to eat fish properly. I can't eat fish properly. So I have ordered egg thali, and I'm going to have one small bite from his thali of fish or curry. So this is all we are having, and everybody is just behind changing and getting themselves clean. We have just washed our hands, feet and faces, and we are sitting for food. After we complete this food and lunch everything, then we are going to get clean, and then
Heading to Srivardhan Beach.
yeah, we are heading to Srivardhan Beach. What is my food? Anda thali. I'll get rice afterwards. Veg thali, pomfret thali, and the surmai thali. And this is sol curry. Happy meals, happy lunch. Hi all, now we are heading to Srivardhan Beach to see the sunset. It's 5:45. So we reach and we get to sit. And she is a bit anxious. Srivardhan Beach, but it's too late to go there, and if we spend our time in traveling and going there, we will miss the sunset. So that's why now we have planned to stop in between the road only and see the sunset. See, I don't know which place is this, but the sunset is very nice. This is our vehicle and the beach. The sunset. This is me enjoying it and having a great time. I love this sunset. We are about to finish the journey. Sankalpa, Dev, Ashwini, Rupam, Sonia.
रुके न कभी ये सफर यूं ही चलता रहे हवाएं कहे सुन जरा तू भीगे न कभी ये नजर हर लम्हा अब खाब में दुआएं ऐसी बुन जरा तू Sunsets daily on this horizon, but here with my friends, I wish sun of our friendship never sets.
यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से. So